So this is the best virtual try-on AI I have ever seen. So what is a virtual try-on? Well, it's basically a way to change the clothes of someone in a picture. If it's really good, it can be used on websites so you can see yourself wearing that clothing before you buy. So this one is called Voost, and this is the best one I've seen so far. Even better than Flux Context. This is the original picture, and this is the t-shirt. As you can see, it's the exact t-shirt she's wearing, which is impressive, and the text is correct, which is even more impressive. It even matched the lighting. It's a white t-shirt, but here it matched the lighting, so it's a little bit yellowish. Let's see more examples so you can see the text is pretty good. Now here, this is the original picture, and this is the jeans. And look at this. It even kept this, I don't know how you call it, hole, I don't know, but it's the same shape. And this cut here is at the same height. This is a better representation of how good it does text. Here you have more examples. These are the original pictures, and these are the clothing. I can't tell this is AI. This is definitely impossible to tell. It kept the symbol. Now here you have the comparison against other virtual try-ons, like this Stable Vuitton. It totally messed up this sweater. This Cat Vuitton was a little bit better, but it messed up here on the sleeves. And this one is the one that came closer, but still messed up the wrist cuffs here. But this is the Voost, and it's perfect. Another comparison, so a lot of text in this one, all of them messed up, but this one is perfect. Voost, the absolute best virtual try-on right now. Apparently it will have a demo soon, but it's not available yet. So I'm gonna put this page in the description if you wanna see it more, and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.